Hot work activities such as welding, grinding, and torch cutting are essential but high-risk tasks. Without proper safety protocols, they can lead to fires, explosions, and serious injuries. At OSHA Education School, our hot work safety course provides you with the knowledge and tools to carry out hot work safely and effectively. In this course, you'll learn how to identify hazards, set up a safe work area, and follow strict safety guidelines to prevent accidents. Understanding hot work and its hazards, preparing and inspecting the work area, hot work permits and required approvals, fire watch and emergency preparedness, post-work safety monitoring. In this course, you'll explore the essentials of hot work safety, starting with a deep understanding of what qualifies as hot work and the unique hazards it presents. You'll also learn how to create a fire-safe work environment by removing or protecting combustibles within 35 feet of the work area. Before starting any task, it's crucial to prepare and inspect the work area. Begin by clearing any flammable materials from the workspace. It's also important to set up a fire-resistant shield to ensure safety. These steps might seem basic, but they are essential in preventing accidents and ensuring a safe working environment. To keep everyone safe, you'll learn to obtain and comply with hot work permits, perform thorough inspections, and apply lockout-tagout measures as needed. Our course will guide you through the role of a fire watch and the importance of monitoring the work area after hot work is complete. A dedicated fire watch is crucial during hot work, ensuring any stray sparks are managed immediately. Our training emphasizes the fire watcher's responsibilities, including maintaining a vigilant presence during and after work to prevent any hidden hazards from igniting. By completing this course, you'll be equipped to prevent hot work incidents, maintain a safe workspace, and meet OSHA safety standards. Plus, once you finish, you'll receive a certificate of completion demonstrating your expertise in hot work safety. This training is essential for welders, supervisors, and anyone involved in high-risk tasks like cutting or grinding, helping ensure a safe and productive work site. Don't risk safety on the job. Click the link in the description to enroll now, complete the hot work safety course, and get certified today.